Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 5 best diesel additives of 2024 to help you keep your engine running smoothly, maximize fuel efficiency, and boost performance. We'll be reviewing top choices like the Archoil Diesel Fuel System Kit, Hot Shots Secret Diesel Extreme, Stanadyne Performance Formula, STA-BIL Diesel Fuel Stabilizer, and Hot Shots Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Let's get started and find the right additive for your diesel engine. Number 5. The Archoil Diesel Fuel System Kit, which includes the AR6500 Diesel Treatment and AR6400D Diesel Fuel System Cleaner, is a powerful solution for restoring essential diesel engine components. This combo helps clean injectors, turbo, and DPF while boosting cetane, resulting in improved performance and fuel economy. Users report noticeable enhancements in mileage and engine smoothness. One reviewer saw an increase of nearly 3 mpg in their fuel economy after using the treatment over 3 tanks, praising the product for restoring lost performance. Another user noted a more refined exhaust scent and quicker turbo spooling, further underscoring the product's impact on engine efficiency. However, it's important to note that the AR6400D cleaner isn't designed to resolve HEUI injector stiction. Archoil recommends their AR9100 friction modifier for such issues. While the kit isn't inexpensive, many agree that the improved performance and potential long-term engine benefits justify the investment. Overall, the Archoil Diesel Fuel System Kit is highly recommended for diesel owners looking to boost their vehicle's efficiency and longevity. Number 4. Hot Shots Secret Diesel Extreme is a high-performance diesel fuel additive that offers a comprehensive clean for diesel engines. With a single treatment lasting up to 6,000 miles, Diesel Extreme targets deposits in injectors, cylinders, fuel lines, and the tank, restoring efficiency and boosting overall engine performance. Its formula also increases cetane by up to 7 points, enhancing combustion, fuel economy, and power while reducing DPF regens. Users highlight significant improvements in fuel economy. One reviewer, who drives a 2005 Chevrolet 2500 HD Duramax, reported an increase from 16 to over 20 mpg, a remarkable feat for a heavy-duty truck with almost 200,000 miles. Another user with a Mercedes GL 350 BlueTech also saw better mileage and performance, noting a smoother driving experience. In addition to cleaning, Diesel Extreme includes rust inhibitors and a non-alcohol-based moisture dispersant, which keep the fuel system healthy and prevent corrosion. While priced above some alternatives, many agree the enhanced mileage, power, and injector cleanliness make it well worth the investment. Overall, Hot Shots Secret Diesel Extreme is a highly recommended solution for diesel owners seeking to maximize performance and fuel efficiency. Number 3. Stanadyne Performance Formula Diesel Fuel Additive is a trusted choice among diesel owners for maintaining and restoring fuel system performance. This 16 ounces formula, sold in cases of 12, cleans injection system deposits, enhances combustion, and reduces engine noise thanks to its cetane improver. It also boosts fuel economy, with tests showing up to a 4% mpg improvement, and has lubricity agents that protect engine components in ultra-low sulfur diesel fuels. Users have praised Stanadyne for reliably restoring engine power, especially in older diesel engines. One longtime user found it effective for cleaning neglected engines, noting substantial improvements in engine smoothness after adding just a few ounces to each tank. Another user reported consistently adding it at every fill-up to keep injectors clean and maintain optimal engine performance. Stanadyne also reduces emissions by lowering smoke and particulates, which can be beneficial for both the environment and engine health. While mileage gains vary, users agree that it effectively preserves engine power and reduces wear, making it a top choice for keeping diesel engines running smoothly. Overall, Stanadyne Performance Formula offers dependable performance improvements for those serious about engine care. Number 2. STA-BIL Diesel Fuel Stabilizer and Performance Improver is a comprehensive solution for diesel fuel maintenance, designed to keep fuel fresh for up to 12 months. This 32 ounces bottle treats up to 320 gallons, offering powerful protection against sludge, sediment, and oxidation. The formula actively cleans and lubricates the fuel system, from injectors to tanks, enhancing both longevity and efficiency. Users appreciate the stabilizer's capacity to prevent fuel degradation in long-term storage, making it ideal for those with large diesel tanks. One user noted that it kept fuel in a 275-gallon tank fresh for an entire year, maintaining quality and preventing issues. Another longtime STA-BIL user added that this diesel version met their expectations, providing reliable performance and stability even for their two 14-gallon tanks that see intermittent use. In addition to preventing sludge, STA-BIL Diesel also combats corrosion with specially formulated stabilizers and eliminates water from the fuel system. This makes it compatible with ultra-low sulfur diesel, ULSD, and biodiesel blends, ensuring versatility across different engines. Overall, STA-BIL Diesel Fuel Stabilizer is a highly recommended additive for those needing dependable, long-term fuel preservation and fuel system care. Number 1. Hot Shot's secret everyday diesel treatment is an all-in-one fuel additive designed to be added at every tank, ensuring consistent engine health and performance. This 16-ounce squeeze bottle is formulated to boost cetane by up to 7 points, improving fuel economy and power. In addition to optimizing fuel combustion, it enhances lubricity to protect fuel system components, including the pump and injectors. The formula also guards against rust and corrosion, stabilizes fuel, and disperses moisture, making it a reliable everyday solution for diesel engines. Users report noticeable improvements in their vehicle's performance. One reviewer noted quieter and smoother engine operation, along with a 2 mpg boost, far exceeding other diesel treatments they tried. Another user observed added power and reduced exhaust smoke, as well as easier cold starts, making it their go-to recommendation for fellow diesel owners. With benefits spanning fuel system protection, engine performance, and fuel stability, Hot Shot's secret everyday diesel treatment offers a valuable, affordable way to keep diesel engines running smoothly. It's especially recommended for those looking for a reliable additive that can be used regularly for long-term engine care.